Understanding Seeking Retribution, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning a fun and engaging experience. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, seeking retribution. Whether you've encountered it in books, movies, or everyday conversations, understanding its nuances is key to mastering the English language. Let's dive into what it means, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in your own communication. Seeking retribution refers to the act of looking for punishment or justice against someone who has wronged you or caused harm. It's about seeking vengeance in a way that is considered morally justified or lawful. Unlike mere revenge, retribution often carries a connotation of righting a wrong within the boundaries of ethics or law. The word retribution comes from the Latin term retributio, which means a paying back, repayment. Over time, its meaning evolved to include the aspect of justice, especially the idea of being punished in a way that is proportional to the wrongdoing. Understanding its historical context can help us appreciate the depth and gravity of the phrase when we encounter it. To fully grasp how seeking retribution is used, let's look at some examples. After the unfair treatment of his friend, John was seeking retribution against those responsible, ensuring that justice would be served. In many stories, heroes are often portrayed as seeking retribution for the injustices done to their loved ones or their people, highlighting their quest for justice. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal relationships to larger societal issues. When using seeking retribution in speech or writing, it's important to consider the context and tone. It's a powerful phrase that implies a deep sense of justice and moral righteousness. Here are a few tips. Use it when discussing serious matters of justice or moral wrongdoing. Avoid using it in casual or light conversations, as it might be too intense or misunderstood. I hope this deep dive into seeking retribution has been enlightening. Understanding such phrases enriches our communication and helps us convey complex emotions and ideas more effectively. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about expressing our deepest sentiments and values. Keep exploring English with us, and let's continue this journey of learning together. See you in the next video.